Oh. Yeah, it did. A little pussy. A little bit of that schnitzel. So many cats in here. Put him down at your stomach.
What's the point of this?
Just cause. Just cause. Oh, puss. What did you think of the bike yesterday? They've got the pink one here. It's a bikini bike try-ons. New video genre.
Yeah.
What did you think of it? They had it, like, was it comfortable? Did you like, was it as rigid as a Defy? Alright, keep going. So we've got the cat. Is Cece going to jump on your shoulder? What's she doing?
Oh, this is Boxer.
This is Boxer. Yeah. We're going to the cat circus here. Boxer doesn't look too impressed.
What's the question?
So the question was, with the pink bike yesterday you rode, how did you find it compared to the previous bikes you've been riding?
It felt very stiff, it felt fast, and it felt nimble, but there was a couple of things that I would change.
What would...
Being the saddle.
Saddle?
And,
yeah. Do you like that other one, didn't you? The Mimic?
Yeah,
bit softer?
I like the Specialized Power saddle.
Yeah.
Or the Mimic.
True.
The nose, is that what it's called? And this is too long.
Yeah. Yep.
I find it a bit hard.
Yeah.
And those handlebars I'm not used to yet because they feel really narrow.
No, pretty narrow.
I'm used to the wider ones with the thinner.
They are, because these are mechanical. These are mechanical Dura. The other one's a Di2. But maybe we can change it around.
So maybe that's just a matter of getting used to. But otherwise, it felt really good except for the gears jumping around a bit. Yeah,
I haven't shown them full properly yet. I've got to take it to the shop and get the pros to do it.
Yeah.
And what do you think of that? That colour doesn't really stand out on the camera that much, but it's a neon colour.
Doesn't it? I think if you stood here,
yeah. Let's swap it around then.
You would see it.
Oh, good idea. Yeah, definitely.
Also lower that little light globe.
Alright, I'm going to lower the globe. Ah, here we go. Next, as always, the tips. Tips, and this is the promo girl with the light carbon frame. I've sent this to the office in Xiamen, China. This is the office. This is where the magic happens.
This is a cool colour as well.
It is a cool colour. It looks better in real life than on this camera here.
I'm sure you can play around with a bit of saturation.
Yeah, we could definitely do that.
Yeah,
very nice.
Very, very bright lights. But I was actually I was expecting this to ride really well, and it met my expectations.
Yeah.
And,
your neck was a bit tight because the stack's a bit lower than what you used to. But I think it's a cold day yesterday.
Yeah, that's right.
Probably take a bit of...
I did feel tired, and my lower back felt tight.
Yeah.
I think that's what comes with winter sometimes.
It does. Alright. Thanks, baby. That's very good. I think everyone's going to... This is Mount Osman.